yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, 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 everybody. Yes, 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 yes. Hello, I greet you again. This Vera TV program. Oh yes, let's go there. Good evening, I'll be good afternoon. I greet you. Not too much, no time to check time. So now, I greet you, not too much, yeah. I greet you, the share, the invite to get to Google talk today. No time to check time. So the share matters a lot, you know. Share, most of the go. So now, my message did there, so I greet you now. So my message there for today, Mona share, Mona invite your friends. My topic there, I greet you, not too much. Oh yes, not too much. Not so. My topic for today, it did the on. So I greet you now, appreciate you now. Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday. Not too much. So no time to check time. Oh yes. Invite. So my topic for that today is for Jama First Lady. My message to Jama First Lady. Yes. So let's go there. I greet you not too much. I beg. My message for you today, Jama First Lady, now be this. So I beg. I know we not get waiting with the drag, you know. Yeah, Jama First Lady. This is the third time when they send me your video when you be say they use indirect for me. You know, I don't keep you quiet since then, to the sense that was a bossing day. That was the bossing day of the 26th of December. That was last year. So I don't look you. And they look you since then. I don't want to answer you. But now you don't want too much. You want the phone like say now you know everything. Jama First Lady, I start hook up, and not because of you start hook up. Not be your papa get hook up, not be your mama get hook up. Talk less of you now you get hook up. Hook up, many people don't they do one before you enter. So last time when they come my platform, come the right rubbish. I don't know say now you send they come my platform and they come the right rubbish for my platform. So I just see and I say hook up when I they do, it they vex you, not be small. Because when I get way, when I take the pursue people, they enter house, you know. But you know the fit. Understand me? Because it's when I take start hook up, the way you take they do. You be like say get within me and you they drag on, and the same man will deal with for us. You know? I not get your time. I don't know whether you they exist. So hook up, not be you get hook up. Not be you get them. People now if I do one before you start. You know? So I don't see the reason why you go come out now. You go begin the throw mat they give me anytime you do live video. They don't send your video for me, not be today, not be yes. I just they look make am home. But I don't say the injection when I give you sickness when you sick when I see they give you injection that was or the 26th of December. If I say the sickness don't still they worry you again, and I get the cure, I go give you your head go correct. Everybody they doing for platform. You not get right to the throw mat give me. Because last time, look, you say you be better person. I just talk that one, I did on my own. You know? Because why? Now you first start. I did my platform because I did do hook up. You send your madam, your useless people comment, they call the comment, say, and you want, they do hook up. Who knows you? Who know you Jama first when be say only one they do hook up? You where? Who knows you? When be say no go let person hear word because if first do one video, since when I say I do hook up, all of the current hook up. True. So why you be say una when you first come abroad, if you be say any small one and feed do for another person when you come the do, it go depend on for body. It too good for you, not be Italy you first stay. Not be Italy you first stay. Italy too good for you when you for born 3 children when you don't even know builder and Gambia you born the children for before you can't know the small rats. When you carry come Germany. When you come here now call they make math, you don't fear they call yourself a Jama first lady. Before you change out to Africa Jama. Say take your time as you day this social media so everybody you day body. Your own day my pan. Go reach your mama for us all of the day here. But I know they quit the insult person yourself to go for me first. Okay, I no fear anybody who don't be 100 for this platform, for this social media, for presenter, my dear. I go finish you. Just that I did on my own. I also feel nobody will come and go say, it does start saga again, saga. I don't have time for saga. Okay, I the suffer they do my own, they do my hookup, Not be your pa, your mama they pay my this thing for me. Not be you they pay my internet for me. So I see no reason why you go come call they talk rubbish. They using that because you know say you know go both call my name. But as they talk and people when they send the video for me, they know say na me they talk to. Because you know say na Dutch now where you dey not far for me for you, I go mash you black and blue. You know, I go beat you your head, go correct. You wear a busy person your day, you know, go like to the find trouble, you know, go like to the insult person. Italy when you day good for you, now you come off. You know how many years you felt they do a shower before you coffee, you before you know how many years you don't stay for Europe. You know how many years you stay for Italy. Not be 2016 you enter here. No one not get shit for me. We talk me when they carry the go. They tell say I'm money making machine. I don't go check your details. See, mind your business. I'll take your time because I don't get time for you. I'm not near you. Not they using direct. They insult me. Not they using direct. They throw word for me. You get your own for body. If you be saying I see get if now my TOTO no want see park. My mama break. I will see. But I know I'm free and clean. Nothing like that. I'll not be like you. So you have no right to they throw insult for me. If you know the one way you get, when you never talk, bring them. You wear. What will be your problem? What will be your problem? When you call yourself Africa Jama Fair, whether I told her, they say be your name. Why not they use your name? Whether I told her be your name, what is your problem? Person go down, I would like to the insult person. Person go down, I would like to the throw word for person. What did they bring all those rubbish? I know they insult you, not concern me, concern you. Hook up when you they do. Everybody now they do hook up. I they do my hook up on my own. I know they near you. I know they concern me, concern you. Now my own hook up now they do. You know? Now my own hook up I they do. So I see no reason why you go come they throw mat for me. They insult me. They throw mat. Now so if I do one video that time, you will not they did this one. You will not do that one. You not go school. You go school. You feel speak Dutch. Which school you go? School you dey go school now they enter YouTube like who they enter backyard farm. Now you they open YouTube like who they carry farm. You they go school. Even your man when you put for house, they go school. Now Beyonce get I been na hospital in the land. I been na work they work. I bite now they do for Deutschland. Because if they talk, you don't use your talk because I they look you not concern me. You can see I know the couple platform. My hook up at the stuff they do JJJ. I know they do copy they say saga. No, I don't have time. But your own is getting too much. It's getting out of hand. Okay. If you use your husband, your man, I not see where you for married. People when you marry like all those one when me know if they talk they go bring. I never see one day you bring your marriage a picture come outside. Say okay now your marriage when you do now be this. To buy ring for market he hard. It not hard. You understand? If you do marriage, bring and come outside. Prove me wrong. If you do marriage, where you for do the marriage, when you go come here, because they insult person, come here, they throw mat, they give yourself, not be me. You understand? If I did my own, not me say I not fit talk to anybody. Oh no, say no, the fear you cost me, I cost you to the end. If you throw mat, give me the way I don't understand. Go throw, give you your mama, your papa, they go regret the day they born you. You know. Because as I did, somebody go talk say saga when they do for social media. People know. I know they do. But video when you do this week, make people go listening to them. They will see when you throw mad. Give me God they punish you, they craze. You wear. Now use me play. Where you did not far from me, I go beat you, I go beat you. Not be say go come. I go flog you like small pikin. You go not say Vera self head, not the house. If I dare on my other, no me say I don't know how to find trouble. I don't know how to throw word give person or to use indirect give person, because you know go both come, because if you call my name, you are in soup. What's rubbish? All the time you go come out the trauma. Any small thing. If you are doing your live video, do it yourself. Do it for your own self. Do it for the people when they present for. Not the trauma give me. Video when you do this week, who say I let me go wash them. This is the third, I be the fourth time when they send your video, they can't give me. This is the fourth time. You the time that woman that you carry a picture come outside. Old mama, imagine first they to look bonuje. To look bonije. You not ashamed of yourself. When man look bon where you webo. When not basha, you will not the shame. You don't know when you come abroad. You say you be small picking. Person when me and I talk, tell me say na small inte senior you when you and they do business, they form a good Samaritan pattern. He say if it is senior you 2 years, 9 senior, you can't call the phone Somali. You don't check your picture when they tell you when you do. You don't say as your life be, you don't say as you be. You when don't come abroad for many years. Me when I don't come, which I come. When they get mad, the trauma to give me. It better for you snap your papa and your mama picture on social media. Never show you take bring your papa and your mama come. You can't go to use light, they paint people for social media. All your details now, your papa, your mama, your family. You be senior for your papa and your mama hand. Now you be senior. All your details, they my papa respect yourself, eh? You when they look another person, another person they will see they look your now so if they go. Nobody not get for body. Go reach on a president. He get for everybody get for body. So I see no reason why you go keep your own for cycle call the now thief. Or man who thief when they cash now they no say na thief. People when they thief hide they're not gonna say na thief hand meter. Now be this your own so. Your own they inside your body, they use cloth, they cover, they phone go Samaritan, my husband to go. You pursue many women come up for husband house. You pursue many women come up for husband house. Because of the name of my husband not they touch me, my husband not they touch me, my husband not they touch me. Now you too good. Why you not say now you be the best? Now you be the best woman for a world. Maybe say now you they carry marriage. Now you they carry now you be the best woman. Or why you not go maybe you carry Guinness Book of Record? Since now you can't get the best marriage. Now your marriage cause successful pass. Ask me the day when you enter married. You understand? What did they breed that rubbish? What do you come when you call they insult me? You do marriage. You marry. Who knows you? Bring your marriage certificate they read for Deutschland here when we did. Your marriage they read for this Germany. You marry for this Europe, because if you marry for Europe, fine, you go read. You marry. Now to pouring for on the phone, I marry the pursue women come on. I know your secrets, and when they drive people make for the get viewer. When they drive people, make people for come they view you. They put problem for people marriage and you day your own, you sit down for them. Mind your business, so because everybody day body as I day so. I not get time, but if you say me I get your time, I go get your time 24/7. You know, I go get your time. You understand? When they bring that rubbish. This is the third time, fourth time. When you go talk, you go to talk you go put my own side. You go to talk you go to put my own side. You go to talk you go to put my own side. For what? For what reason? When they put body for where you not reach? I know they pretend. I know they live fake life. I know they pretend. Who say me they live fake life? Now you can't know. You understand? Now my own the stuff with the do if I take my platform, so we do the one concern me, I come on. Hook up, not be your papa, your mama get her. Not be you get hook up, not be you the person when you name that to carry woman to a man and woman together when they name a hook up. Now you name as hook up. Now you start them. If now you answer me, because your own won't get it too much. They talk say, now sir, that woman that day, old mama, is senior all of us. Who senior you? He got who senior you talk your age. You know, talk age when you date Jama First Lady, when they call it Jama. Why you change that to Africa Jama First Lady? Then they look you. They call it follow me the jack. Go they follow the jack for hookup. Oh, they follow you the jack. Now my mind can't answer go down. So you don't get right to tell me what to do and what not to do. Is that why the reason why they send people come my platform they call they insult me? Is that the reason why you first send people come the first payment they call they cost me? You they crazy. I don't tell you, my dear, mind your fucking business, If you don't mind your fucking business. You can see me. I'm not the talk my height. If you they near me for you, they look. If I meet you if I catch you, I go beat you black and blue. Make your head correct because it's like your propaganda for YouTube and Facebook now want too much. If you know who you the trauma give, no there. Not carry your dirty and stinking mat near me. You hear me? So the slippers get size. Not be the same time you come abroad. That is why I don't compare myself with people. I do the one when I saw my coat according to my size. Okay? Are you crazy? I saw my coat according to my size, eh? I'm not like you. No throw mat. Give me. You understand? Not throw mat. Give me. I'm not near you. Not insult me. You hear me? So who say I dey lie? May go check video when you do. Now the fourth time be this one when they talk a matter. When they say see wetin they talk about you. Wetin they bring all those one? Huh? If you get the one we never hear, bring a comment. Is it a new thing? Your mama, your papa, dey village. Which one you don't feel help? You can't get a time. Now say your mama too good. Why you not go talk say your mama too good? Why you not talk wetin your mama do when make your papa deny your mama? Why you not talk wetin make your papa deny your mama when you come on go marry another woman as you talk? Now let me bring your details, oh. Not let me bring as people they carry my own, they come meet you, and so you people too. Notice that everybody when they wash you like you. Even though people when they wash me, so they not like me. But I don't come for you first. If you come for me first, all those ones that they phone for social media, they miserable. I fear nobody, oh. I fear nobody. If I suffer pull my own for, but that does not mean that I'm scared of anybody. Even though you be if you not respect that, I go swear to insult your life. I go swear for you, eh? I go insult you. If you see me for road, tell me why I insult you. Me I use slap, bend your mouth, go one side. Mona respect on yourself, eh? Una when you on the social media, so Mona leave Vera TV program alone. If you not leave me alone, my mouth and I go kill you. Because I know they do saga, I know they do saga, make people for come view me. Respect, Mona respect on yourself. You people should respect on yourself. What did they brought those one? Because you see Sumolipu for there, give me this one. You did there, go, come. When they use like rabbit on the live video, no honor. Go there, pick the car, not pick the car. Sleep there, no. You did there, no. When you they do for them, when you say you want to use and they pursue people, they come up for us, like say, now only you one, I ain't too good. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. People when watch out your video go no say, I'm not calling here called the form saga. I'm not calling here called the talk. Make people for watch me. Respect yourself. Oh. I mean now, if you do anyhow, warrior. It one way out. When I mean people when they call it to, no one get head, no one get it. Why be say people when they call it to Hana bad head, jealousy. Now they kill you now. Why? Why people say people when they call it to not the man on a fucking business, or not the man on a business. If you not mind your business, if I hear your my matter for your mouth again, eh? I know as I'll take treat your fuck up. You go no say as I did my own side, they respect myself. I not care people. No, nobody not get for body. You get, I get, everybody gets. Your nyash open for God. See your nyash. Maybe are you come outside? May we see who people go look. Come outside, Jama first lady. Make I open my body. May you see her. May you know say I not be arm by like you. See your leg. May like mosquito. When they lack, you might when they lack of vitamin. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Did that look like your type? Did that look like you? Leave comment if you they read. Can you read? Can you write? Are you mad? Don't you know your mate? Are you mad? You dey craze? What rubbish? Say, mind your fucking business. People, you go come and carry fake rumor up and that. People when people say that they insult you, you know, but they come out, they insult them. Now me, because I keep you quiet, they better say your sickness, don't see the right now, go find your injection. And if I start for you, you go regret. You understand? And you go wrong. You hear me? So if I day here like this every day, man, respect yourself and be yourself, eh? Not come here, call the form goes Samantha. They do live video that day. Old mama, and you see all of us. Are you crazy? They talk your age. After 20 years, 20-something years for abroad, you come from Italy, pack 3 children, can't give Jama. You they talk, yes, I can't pick it, can't give Jama load. You yes, I can't pick it, can't give Jama work for here. You when carry 3 children come, when you see the girl matter, they talk to women, they pursue women come up for husbands. Now the useless and shameless women when they listen to you. You thought say your mama as a beer for your papa rich, your papa why you call the type people, make people not beer for their marriage? Why you call the advice people, make they call police for their house, make they call Balagbe for their house? Are you crazy? You think say all the thing when they talk and nobody they know? Eh? What did they worry you? You just say what they do people know you will be pretending even though your husband will kill you for his house because they make people not hear. You they do say now you go back. You when they carry picking money they give her. My husband they follow me they drag money. My husband they follow me they drag money. My husband they follow me they drag money. Where your husband for that one? Bring your husband alone and pressure come outside. Make I pack my come outside. May not say not be man when leg not complete for not be I deal with for us. Bring your husband alone and pressure come outside. You know what that means in Deutschland? Are you crazy? Where your husband for that work? Now Behance, he don't pass. I been na house bidon. He pass Behance, now he start to learn house bidon. Where your husband for that work for this Deutschland? You pack 3 shoot record for Italy, come Germany here, call the talk rubbish. You they come see carries the fourth belly come here, come from Italy. You come here small, now you born. You see get mad till the talk. When you enter Germany, be 2016. Are you mad? German first lady, when you call say Africa German first lady, respect yourself, eh? Respect yourself. That one when they when never fit take care of this one for us. When they come here, who they advise? Who you they advise? Who you they advise? In bedside, sickler. Who you they advise? Who you they advise? Because I know they do saga of a thing, eh? I know they do. You people know me say if I also become my live video, I also that don't mean say I dey fear anybody. Eh? Who no respect yourself? You hear about where I he head go correct. You hear me? So I fear nobody. What it concern me concern now? Your papa get hook up. I will continue to do the hook up. You understand? People won't like you, people won't like me. Everybody with your own. Okay? Everybody with your own. People when the trauma give yourself. You never bought, come outside, go the trauma give. Now me when I sit down, now you want call the use the you the Chris. I be what you want to talk about Deutschland when me I don't know. I be JJC for Deutschland. I be JJC. You first me come Europe, but me first you come this Germany. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Small boy when you put for house when not reach anything. A small boy when you put for when you feed the turn the head upside down. Sweep here, go here, come back, come. You like the live video? No. Plug on, no. Pick the car, not pick the car. Go to the talk now. They tell you for them when you fit the talk. Stand, you go stand. Sit down, you go sit down. So because of those who are not fit teach and stay use their husband, you they tell them say, I never see you. Can you tell me since when you did they never insult you? Your husband never insult you. You never use you and I never quarrel. You feel talk and say you and your husband and never quarrel or you never insult you, never use one thing when they your body to insult you. Can you tell me that? So why are you deceiving people? Why are you lying to people? Shapeless and ugly, you might be look at face, you do face like Chinese face. When I don't want to make your person not being born, you make your man go find born, you are not know for you. Are you mad? Your details in my pound. As people they give me your own, and some people when know you, know your mama, know your family, know everybody. Now so then they give me your own. So if I did my own, judge, don't say I not girl, they give me information. Everybody gets you, they give information. Everybody gets your own. Then my pan. Let me open your nyash for outside. So mind your fucking and crazy business. Are you mad? Are you okay? I meet you today. Do video, make I bring your they bring your details come out one by one. Your man too fine for Africa. Why not they put your man for Facebook? Say, hey, oh, this is Africa German face in my mama be this. Can you do that? Are you crazy? Are you mad? What you make your man pursue your papa pursue your man? I not be you be first speaking. The one when you see all of them don't marry, they don't grow beer. Yeah, you are the first child. Now you be first. You can't call the first money. You want to kill on this and ya tab. You want to kill on this and yaki. You the crazy. You the mad. Oh no, see I don't give you space. As soon as I don't mess for the social media so now shit me go shit put. You hear me so? As soon as I don't mess for the social media so not the smell issue now shit me go shit put. Una head go correct. More respect to yourself, eh? As I do so I fear nobody. The one we never get, go bring and come outside. Who did this platform we not get for body? Make effect make cast the first stone when be say in you it too clean for them. Even Bible talk and say nobody too clean for woman when be say go flight self when everybody carry stone they want stone. But when you run reach where Jesus Christ, so what did Jesus tell them? He said if you know say you never seen before, be the first person to cast the stone. Everybody drop their stone. They waka come off. So may you see say nobody not get for body. You they look my own. As you they look my son, that person they look your own. May you get that for your fucking business head. Are you crazy? You they mad? Let today be the first time in Germany. Me and you there know the rule and regulation of German. Okay? My father-in-law there, I know the rule of German. Not come misbehave. Or if you misbehave, I'll treat your fuck up. Hey boy, every day. Hey boy, day, boy, bye. Not be say go come. You mad? I mean, don't see me for social media. You're the call, you're the trauma. I don't know how they do. If you come to my hookup program, I saw if you do my hookup program, I enter house. I know they talk, oh yeah, the trauma. Now so down one. Okay, what you call consign matter when you they talk when you consign me. This is the fourth time people don't make the lepers they miserable and the lepers they misbehave. You understand? And the lepers they misbehave. If you don't misbehave him before I go treat the fuck up. I fear nobody. Look my face. See him. I know the fear anybody. If you do anything, you be a day, you be a dumb. If you don't respect yourself for this social media, be you man, be you woman, you back wherever you are. If me do you go say, oh, who send me the Vera TV program? Because why me on what total here? Now see who sit down, when they do you, when I say this person won't go find a trouble. Not the one when you say people come my platform, they come insult me, say now you want a big hook up. Jama first said, I'm not saying you don't hook people up. Everybody have the way of doing this. They always talk. Everybody have the policy and regulation on the platform. Now my platform, you cannot tell me how I will handle it. Okay? If I do hook up, leave me make I do my hook up. Face your fucking business. Not they carry my matter, they join your own. Not they carry Panadol for another person's head. You can see, I don't get time for no. I the suffer they do my they say I don't get topic. Not me say I don't get topic, but I the suffer they do my because I know they run. I know they pursue person, know they pursue me. We know they do competition. After all, on our way, they social media, so not be the same time when I take on, I take on. So I so my code according to my size. When you don't pursue all women finish for husband as for Dutchland, and you dare your own. Now the stupid women, I mean they blame. The useless and stupid women, I mean they blame when they believe you. When they say you won't use all men, take on single father. At the end of say men not good though, men not good. Fine, we know say men not good. Women still get their own for body. Let's be saying the truth. My platform, they already talking. I know they support me, I know they support me. They always dey 50-50. If I see where man for do wrong, I dey talk am. If I see where woman for do wrong, I dey talk am. You understand? You understand? If I see where man for they do wrong, I dey talk am because not be my own not too good. They talk and say you get my voice record. When me and my man they quarrel, when me you don't advise yourself finish. You dey crazy. The voice quarrel not they let you they play. You dey mad. I be you get set up on and never do. Let me tell you what, who God not drop. No man can drop it. Okay? You hear me so? You understand? No man can drop that person if God not drop person. No man can drop that person. Come on, they carry people picture, they post up on that. You, as they use man, they spoil Nigeria. So they use man, they spoiler. You know, I know say you don't go enter that bongo. Because if you enter, they go break your leg. They go scatter like suya. Yes, now be your portion. They go scatter like suya for you. Because you get man, bad man, like say now you can't good pass. Your papa, your mama did the bongo now. You not kind of come the gym to make us sit down with you. But you there by the phone saying you want to support the Jama. Then you just say they don't know say you be bad person. Now this kind of people go tell you say if you get money, not do something for us. Whereas he get house for us. Like the one when the other one do that, they go Nigeria, not spend 2 weeks, he come back. All of them when they throw man give me and they come for now one by one. They say Ranoka Kodun one kafiana wood when fed day up, now they fed the cut before you cut the one when it day down. You know, now your turn today, now make me want give you say your head go correct. If I hear my word for your mouth again, you will faint. You see, you go regret your life. Sure, you want to say that you good pass? You want to say now you can be the best for this Europe? Now your husband can't good pass everybody you not come good. Now your husband I be the best. Now you dey craze. Why you know they allow visitor come your house? Why you dey wrong when they let person come your house? Because you have dirty and stupid and useless character. You have it. You no get single character at all. Now you wicked pass. Now you bad pass. You will not do a shower when you don't know yourself. You dey craze. You dey mad. I've not been Italy you first day. You know how many years you spend for Italy? You dey craze. And Jama first day, when call it Jama first day, when name na ito. You dey craze. Who be your mate? Fine, say you senior me. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. If you want me small pikin respect you have to respect yourself first. Stop pretending. Stop forming as if you are the now you get the best marriage on earth. Stop the phone saying now you get the best marriage for life. Now you get the best marriage so far. You know? Stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people to be using them to have viewers on YouTube and Instagram, Facebook. Stop deceiving people. Tell them the truth. Say the truth. The truth shall set you free. Tell them the truth. Nobody is above mistake. Nobody will not get your temper. As I did so, my own day, my body. I saw free keeper and wear clothes cover around. Who say they mad then? No use me Lena because I use you shine. I go use you shine. Okay? I go use you shine. Don't play with me. Don't dare me. Can you read? You feel they read? Can you read? You go to school. You go school. Fine not to go, but you, Masha. You don't know, you don't know, be now your husband they stand for front of where they do live video. You don't say, my man they work. You want to, none of they work, none of they go school. Bring your husband certificate wey take go school for Deutschland. Bring your husband loan and pressure. Now that your husband leg wey one long pass one and working ones and work for Deutschland is handicap. Okay? Go and check the meaning of handicap. Your husband and handicap, not go fit walk in leg one long pass one. Now let me bring your details out. Are you crazy? Handicap. You dey crazy? Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry when you go begin dey insult me, dey throw mouth give me. Any small thing, you go dey throw mouth give me. Any small thing, you go dey throw mouth give me. Like say na you know pass. Your husband, bring your loan and pressure come outside when your husband take pay tax for Deutschland. Now so my husband, now so they take care of me. Now so they do this one. You are deceiving people. You are deceiving people. Fake pastor even better pass you, African German first lady. Fake pastor is better than you. Stop deceiving people. You don't know you go carry a you go add together. You dey find social media, you dey find a viewer. You don't dey open YouTube like say that they carry fan. You don't buy fake viewer, buy fake viewer, my dear. YouTube not the craze. YouTube not be mumu. If you don't see money for all the video we call they do, they not pay you. Now me, what can put the baby body for a body? Now me, what can put the baby body for a body? Yes, very don't vex today. Yes, because if person you sit down, you they do now. You say now on phone, oh, good they kill all of you now. Now they mad. But that useless at the day when you don't know yourself. Now me, you want to talk how many years in Europe? How many years when you just for now? Yeah, touching. Now show this one. Now show that. See the follow to pick up. See, mona pack well. Mona pack well. Nobody don't get bad matter. Nobody don't sabi so too senior amu. And when you see who senior person not respect himself, so people go Joja name no go loy. Who wa warrior? Una dey craze. Now the mad why be say person dey on like to the prepare person come. Wait till never bring one bring and come outside. Make thunder fire on. Are you okay? What be no problem? Vera this, Vera that, Vera that. Now una took una bring una own come outside. Una when they toss una be the best. Mona go bring una brothers and sisters. Mona stamp that picture of your mama. Mona pack the come outside. Mo they see. Mo see who ugly pass, who fine pass. Mona get my tell they talk rubbish. They insult person like say now a free for. Now too good. Now too good. What if you not problem? You not get for body. Man, when you bring come from Italy, when you Dutch, come Germany, come put for inside armpit. Now you born those children for. You know about talk who be the father of those. You know see the two children, the one where you fed born. Then you know about talk who be their papa. Gambia and Senegal. Are you crazy? You will don't miss your road. Now me won't go to the tech man for YouTube, for Facebook, for Insta, for page, for your Facebook and your YouTube. Are you mad? See. Now, Jenny, me and you, then I make, you see, I they talk now, they call your name. Well, you know, go both call my name. Now, indirect, they use that indirect way they use. People, when you know, say, na me, they talk, they send and give me. Me, I know they get time to watch your video. As you say, not say, you said, not say, get time to watch people video. Me, I not get time to watch your video. As me, see that when I hear they say, they send out for me. I will not take it easy because you people will know. They will say, "I who copy they do not get topic. Leave me alone." Now my one they do. I know they find view. I know they find made the female view. They find and this one they find for YouTube. I the software they do my own as my power reach. Not be the same time me I wanna come abroad. All of them when come full social media to the men I go talk years wanna come abroad. One I don't miss una road at the first one. I don't miss una track at the first place. You are here insulting me when we come yesterday. If not like this, una take start by now. Now for that be like KG. When you use blog money, they do better. They buy house for like they do everything. They do better thing. You understand? You understand? Now person be that one, so now person I be that. Una for don't pass that kind. Una for don't pass like KG. If na as una start so, as una enter, na so una start. Obviously, the day when full this thing they call themselves presenter. So 17 years, 18 years, 20 years, 22 years, 25 years, 26 years. Me when I come and wish you for here. Now mona pursue enter house, mona pursue enter because now not say ask me those so me not the gallant person. Yes, because no fit tell me the secret again. I'm here. Who can pass river con, no can pass river con. Not be abroad when you there, not be people when pass river con, not be there day. Not be that abroad when be say people when pass river con. You when say you pass this one con, not be the same abroad now, the another abroad day. When they try to they insult people, they use that one. When I fight, they intimidate people. Use until they want to, they use until they intimidate people. They talk say, no, no, fair come, no, no, fair do this, no, no, fair do that. What fiang boy? What fiang boy? All those view wanna call they get to them now. The that one they toss on not near. Now they give una the view. Now they give una the view for YouTube and Instagram. Now also they don't call 50 years, 40 years, they don't know where they carry ordinary WhatsApp go. Now you call the wash now. When I would like to they use that this thing they insult people, use until they swear for people, use until one they curse people. You see they breathe that one. Why will you insult me? Why you go to insult me? Why you go like to the put anything when you talk? You go like to the put this one. Now your marriage good. Now your marriage good. Nobody not get for body. Nobody. Me never hear. Or if you don't hear, maybe now you be the person who don't carry the best marriage for the world. Because me not see your marriage this thing. Like this lady. So I'm not the one measure, but me go measure any B and B. I don't sit down one when they show in marriage this thing. Yes. Eh? I don't see him when they show everything. In wedding picture, when the husband went there for the kiss, when they day court, when they day party, I don't see him. He show him there one a husband. I don't see husband with my two naked eye. I don't see B&B husband. They say not get husband, so that they carry fake room up and down. But me don't sit down with your husband many times. I don't see a picture. You bring your own come outside. Bring marriage certificate come outside. Bring your own come. When you call the phone and say now you good pass, now you better pass, now you do this one pass. Now you better pass. When you go the first say now you call good pass, now you call good pass, now you be careful ahead. My husband cannot. You disgrace the other. That's what the other one do. My husband, if you go outside, before I go outside, I go manoy this, I go manoy, I go do this. If you go club, say even though man sit down top if you penis, you not go feel fuck woman again. Now so don't tell me when your husband, by now your husband don't make you like banana when you overripe. You now you don't start when you are disgracing the man in public. My husband not fit tell me this so. My husband the 20 they do me. He go use and do another woman. He not go try. Oh you be I'm way back. You want make I stand? Make I show you my heels. Make I show you everything. Every make I show you. Make I show you when not the board they snap. Use PNS so to take snap picture now. Make you say as your life bend. You do nyash like this. You not see when you date Italy, you make like many people. Not as you be. You don't say as you be because Jama do me well as this Jama first lady. You don't feel calling you don't the phone. I don't come to get when you're not hear word. When you can't call the insult person, the chat to the trauma. Give which one you take better pass me? Tell me. Which one you take better pass me when you're not hear word? Hook up. Like say, I can't collect people when one come your way. Market is for everybody. I will not go out those. Say, no man go out those. Say, hey, total your work. Who sabi trade go trade? Don't sabi trade go rest. You understand? Who sabi trade go trade? Don't sabi trade. Everybody come here. This lifestyle na market. Everybody come trade. So you have no right to tell someone what he or she will do. You have that. You have no right to the type person what you go do and what you not go do. No. Did you copy your the pen now? You the pen. So when I don't start to call, okay, Jama first lady. Now I can make you call lean. Want to say na Mary see the drink. You don't dry. You want to kill yourself. You don't let women rest for marriage again. Anybody you call you but they don't make it they give you, pursue your husband. I cannot tolerate that. If they use una head, if they use una for Facebook and Instagram, if they use una head, if they with you for us, we be adika, we body not complete for. When be say leg the pain now, una not see that one. Now where for one work for Jama, where for one work now meta arbeit for one work. I been at DH, I be where for one work. I been at Post, where Amazon, where many company for Deutschland na meta. Now meta company na me Benny pass for Deutschland, you know. Which one you want to tell me about Deutschland with me? And why make you know about the trauma again? Because no say I don't see no many for Deutschland. Nothing you want them not be Italy. That much I don't know what they happen for Germany. I know what they suck. My husband don't work. Many don't work. How many years? When you bring your own come. Your husband go school, go show 1 year certificate for Instagram, money making machine, because they post everything for Instagram. They wait me YouTube pay you. Now you can say, I'm money making machine. I'm making money machine. Will they work? Go tell people, una husband too lazy. Una husband not they work. Una not coffee ask the German first. They say your husband they work. Your husband they work. Man, I tell and say, what is man? I tell and say, make he bring his husband loan and creation come outside. That be not be so that they call now. If you not correct, man, tell me. When you go tell when you feed the work, when you they tell the note now 8 hours you the work. How many times you work in a week? And when you go work, how many times you don't pay tax for Deutschland? When they say my husband, man, they ask that question. Where your husband for that work for Germany? Bring your loan and pressure come outside. Make a pack man come outside. Make you see. Bring and come outside. Not they deceive women. Not they deceive our women. Not they spoil people marriage. And you sit down for your own. You say make you they happy. And you wanted they happy. Tell people the truth. If now the man make wrong, tell them. Don't hesitate to tell them. Say now you do wrong. Now you do bad. Tell them. Tell them say you wrong or you not wrong. They go no. If now the woman just still wrong, tell her say it's wrong or it's not wrong. Not the phone say now you good pass. You don't hear the husband for this thing now. You gonna like to carry camera, face and carry camera. Which time your husband take the work, safe? Tell me. Now midnight, maybe now 10 minutes walk, now they work. Which time your husband take the work? Man, when they work for those one when they work 8 hours, they don't have that time. Cause mama they work, you know. 8 hours, maybe the money shift. You go if you go money, if the money the afternoon, day night. Which time won't get time to follow till they do your YouTube and this thing when they do? Which time wanted they help you? I be you not be in the star. Anytime when they do live video, people from not notice, wanna notice. Take this one, bring this one, video on the light, not on the light. Pick up, see what you go talk. You go come stretch neck. When not they observe, huh? Why be so some people, some women are so dumb and fool. When we say person go just sit down for this thing, you they use una they say, hey, right down. He's using you people. From today, watch Jama First Lady. Anytime he's on live, you even though na night or na morning, na afternoon. When I first say Jama First Lady, not they sleep. Even when they tell say people not they go school. When Jama First Lady tell they go school. When I tell them even they take care of those children when they take, you can see me. I'm not after view. I'm not after YouTube pay me. Oh, make a day you not go sleep. Which time Jama First Lady they sleep? In fact, when you take care of those children, after until you break up for Italy, we know. Which time you take care of those children? When you the one called the lecture person say now you know pass for Deutschland. If you really come to German law, now so they take care of your children, so you take care of picking. When you know they get time for those children, you know they get time for yourself, take care of those children. When they use marriage, they deceive people. He don't put money for your head. That one mumu. No, I don't put money for my head though. You're gonna beat me. You go say, hey, mumu. If you don't cut, you say, hey, I don't see the one I wanted to do live video today. I don't see the one I wanted to do my topic today. He's using you people. You go see tell that one if your old friend, you get quarrel, tell them, make it call me. You are using them for nothing sake. All those dumb doing don't know anything now. They think they advise them. They think saying a better thing they do for them. Whereas you are spoiling their life for nothing sake. See, more na pack well for this this one, not the make me verse. As you now don't mess for this social media, go reach YouTube, Facebook, not control again, and YouTube na comment. Now shit me go shit. This is the third time when I repeat this thing. So it's fine. Take back here and go reach the one way saying that Monica we head not correct. No, my first start. So if I start the comfort now, I will be very happy and glad. I go be happy, I go be rejoice because now on fair corner they mad. Why be so now you see new corner one man at the portion, the one man at the oppressor, the one man at the tell and say it not be anything. Una one man at the toss on to know. That one come my page, Facebook, you not fear. Now Jama First Lady now we know. Now Jama First Lady now they not say they do ogun bue. Ku work no one not about can fear kun le lu one wa warrior. Baba fear kun le lu one wa gbe o wa gun. Na na bi jonya. Ijonya where your mama dey. Where your mama dey, where your papa dey. When you call it deceive people for Facebook and YouTube, they use that they get view. Where do you happen to your mama and your papa? Talk calm, make people hear. Bring your mama picture, come and say, your papa and your mama now could be first lady of Nigeria, maybe now be the first lady when they get for Africa. Bring your mama come outside. You when they see the girl matter the trauma give person. Bring your don't come outside. Mo usu they go laugh. After many years in abroad, mo usu they go laugh. Una want the fact come abroad like the see I don't take una shit If I say body don't to the cash una. Body don't to the cash una. You hear? Because if I did my own, not they find anybody. Who you be? When don't use your husband as a boy. You get document for the country when you not hear word. Wait till you get for the jam because you come here and jama do me well. Come here, come they do kati. You get this kind of opportunity for Italy. You for don't know where you dey now. Come they give people wrong advice. Come they give people wrong talk. Come they give people wrong this thing. They say carry on, go ahead. Yeah, too good. Which law you read? Which law you know? Now me one boy come out they sort and that major first you know they talk with you no. One come out for Italy they sort and tell them you know both start to them. See. Now indirectly they use for me, and people when they watch and they know saying me and mind your fucking business because you got pan a bit where you go be like trailer jam. You go be like trailer jam because I have the 3 many things when you don't contest insult me. When I come on bossy day, when I insult you, now you say people come because when I really sit down, I check it out. I say when I never really start my live video, this woman not send. When I must start my hookup, when I they always do my live video, this woman not come. Immediately they hear say I just start my hookup. This woman just send about 3 people come my platform. Now I take go for her on that bossing day. Who say I lie? May go my Facebook. You go see on bossing day on the 26th of 28th. May go check her. You go see what I'm talking about. I don't come after people. When I not say I can't sit down and I want to insult. No, I dey counter for person. You don't too much. You don't too much. After they don't do, go enter see. You know girl you want hook up. But rumor don't they meet you now say me get women, me get men the Sarah. Now me go get boys now two men. I'll send you 2 men picture. I'll send you 2 women picture. Choose for inside. Do your business. I'll do my own. Oh, where I go do my own. Everybody now they do your own. I'm not gonna disturb you. I'm not disturb me. Not do your own. Do your own. I'm not near you. Do your live video, do your hookup. You they come out. If you just say they do hookup, I partition go one your killer. The time when you just see they start hookup. Now so you come every day. Now see they do hookup. Now you they use body they compare me. So not be me they use body they compare you. Now me supposed to they look you. But now you jealousy want kill you because me don't know whether they exist. After not be you get live video. Not be you get this thing hookup at me. Not be your brother and your sister. Not be your papa and your mama they hook up. For everywhere in Europe, everybody need it. Me myself, I don't fit talk only one go fit do and finish. I see they talk and can only try my best. I can't do all. So is that the reason why you people want to bring set up and take Mona continue? The one I never hear, Mona hear and Mona go they find the details, Mona start to the talk. Because they say if you don't too much, people know you know the sweet for ear again, you know? You know the sweet for ear again. After 20 years, German friends, they talk when you enter abroad. Talk the year when you enter abroad, whether not the year when we enter for here, now you enter. One of they like to the oppressed person, one like to the insult person, like to the trauma, deep person, like saying on be offer. See, but where you be? That mosquito when they bite you, look me well, oh. I don't take shit. I don't tolerate. I they respect myself. You know, they like to respect myself. I'm not the insult person. I'm not the one big person insult me. They always they do my German first said, mind your business. So German first said, German lady in your name. You told her, why not they call yourself into her TV show? Can't you see the rest people? And the type my own is very TV program. Why you not name your name? I be just asked to see them my German friend. People don't know you, Richard. Who know you, Richard? Who know you well? Who know you well? When they say your math don't too much, when they are picking watch and say you they make math, now they call me. German friend say respect yourself. Respect yourself. I just say one year I go can't give you. If you need more for your own, you'll see say people then will carry this matter for head. When they'll still do shit, you will be like shit for social media. Not let me bring your nyash come outside. I don't want you. Not let me bring your nyash come outside. If I bring your nyash come outside, it go too sweet for you. It go too hard for you. Not let me bring your nyash come outside. Today they deceive people. So let me bring your nyash come out. They'll too hate you. So respect yourself. Not say now you good pass. Now you know pass. You don't know anything. School you not go. Nothing you know. Because you see when you put for them small goats, when you put for them, when you control here and here, do this, do that, come here, not do that, and you the live video on, go like look whether pikin they cry, no, not go, come back, sit down, no, not sit down, sleep, no, not sleep, check whether the live video they work, no, not check out, pick the call, no, not pick the, no, not they here, pick the call, no, not pick the call, wait, oh no, who be that, who they talk, and check the comments, who they talk for them, no, they see them, when the man come to the work. Oh, when you put for house, bring your man come outside. May we see. Now like this, your husband, your man take the stand. It be like go to the break your front leg. My day my body. Your man be like goat when they break in front like this, he take the stand. Man, I go check Instagram. And he say now I'm money making machine. Okay, now YouTube money, now you put eye. See shirt where they wear AliExpress. My husband not the wear AliExpress. He not the wear. You want to say you dey work, better clothes not there your body. As Sigma, and as be more stop the paint people for social media. More stop to the lie for social media. You and your husband. More stop to the lie. Stop to the lie. You know, stop lying, not the deceive women like you're not the deceive women. Tell women the truth. You understand? Born here, ain't not good. More they tell our women the truth. When you tell say your mama to bear for us, now your papa don't want your mama. Why you not talk with your mama do when your party hates your mama? Why you not talking? Okay, your mama feel bear like that. Now you got to say for abroad when everything is still good. When you say husband and wife need to live in peace, happiness. Okay, what is they call the one for the abroad? Is it not happiness? You enjoy, go outside. When you go out with your man, you have respect mother, single mother. When you are with your man, when people know that you are with your man, you have a good respect. Even though you don't marry, never marry. Let Jama Fedi stop telling people that now because they never marry you. If you have a good character, your husband can marry you anytime. Even though it's after 1 kiss, after 2 kiss, after 3 kiss, if he love you, you have a good character, you are okay for her, for him, he will marry you. So we should stop deceiving our women. At the end, I think they clap and they follow our women. You don't know say the disgrace of the women they bring now. We the disgrace the day body. Now this I not get topic. My mouth my mouth not good. They don't let me open mouth. If I open mouth, you know they close. You know they close. You know they close. They are abroad when they say, Mama, we supposed to the jolly, they come outside. Or you both like family. If me and Mama come outside and you go sound, they won't go they laugh. They go even guess. You go sound, they go they laugh. They go they look us. They go they laugh. You know? Nobody not like better. Nobody not like enjoyment. Nobody not. You do your own. They use your own the gadabu. They use your own the propaganda. You the pursue people who they come up for social media. Who are talk boy. Now their head now go ask you Africa Jama First Lady. Now their head now go ask all those women who tell the single mother, all those men who tell the single father. Now their head go ask you when you will see the truth. You will not like to say the truth. God will punish you for it. I will lay curse on your head today because you deserve it. What is your fucking business? What is your problem? You okay? You think now juju you do pass or you now fly you to fly pass? Yeah, bunny phone and yeah, bunny me no. It's just you no mine. Where me yatin? You the Chris. You don't play husband and wife supposed to play. If they bring matter, then they bring matter give me. Not to say, not get with the talk around. Sure, I'm not this. I'm one person spoil my own. And I don't feel spoil person own. I go tell you, let me talk to you. Can you take my own? That's why I tell both men and women. One matter come for you day before yesterday. I mean, never want to go to that topic. I get many people when they call me when they give good advice because I don't feel confident when I don't say that thing I want to tell you not good. I will come tell you say do your husband or do your wife. Then tomorrow you are in pain. I go there here they happy. Well, God not go judge me for that kind of thing. God go judge me for that kind of thing. I always tell you the truth. Yes, many women when they call me no, I'm very free like a bird. I'm free. I go tell you say no be so you supposed to do something. Even my hookup program, if they get some kind of I'll tell them say you now you do this and you not do this. Take it, not be so. They will take correction. I'll say that I'm not perfect. I'm not giving no pass. I'm not saying this that I'm the perfect. No, I'm still learning. So I need to tell you the truth. You have to take it. That is me. Not to say na baba. Not so baba thing for the know you. Not so baba thing the pursue women come up for husbands. Not for the know you. Not for the bring topic for you. Not so baba thing. Not for the know you. And you dem me don't pana wa mi wear. And you dem me don't pana wa mi wear. Jama First Lady to hanu bell agon no warrior. No wayoko wa na mamu no wayoko wa. No warrior, no your boss serious nan warrior bibi ya tie boni here. Because good money will not collect, will not work for good man. Now problem now you go put on. They use people they get you for YouTube. They open YouTube. People don't need to get sense. Okay, you have one YouTube. Why can't you control that one YouTube you have? If you are not causing problem for family, if you are not finding people that will bring topic for you, why can't you AliExpress? Bring your clothes, come here, bring my clothes, come. AliExpress, Ali do me well. AliExpress do me well. I only want to get my stack, I only want to get paper card. I be which one you want to talk when I not get. You are crazy. You the mad. You can't pay. If I start for now for this social media, oh, I can't be. Una go the wrong. Una go park with self. If na say Vera TV program, they live video, all of una go run enter house. Now, bonus have been mad for YouTube, for Facebook and YouTube. Oh, my dear, if I start you, if I meet you, Jama First Lady, you will lose control. You go tired. You just everybody everybody when they watch you, now like you. Also with me too. Not everybody when they watch you, not be like me. Those they will like me. Many they will not like me. Yes. Everybody cannot like you because even Jesus Christ said, you not see what the disciple are going to they call and do am. You not see what they do am. No, so I mean you might be one they complain. So see your life now. See your life now. So as to be now. You don't then finish. And then no who are. Now let me hear my matter for your mouth again. I ready for you today. Today now to make that they invite you. You get this. Make they invite you come. Then make you start. Make me and you move so go tire for live video. You can see in every song that they do my own. Not to say I not get topic. Not to say if I come out the chat, no one they no go. I they get many topic every day. People they bring work for me. But they always they settle on inside house. Because now don't spoil. Now they like to spoil people on. Oh where the Africa German first day. Oh we're not the Gambia no beer no Mike no move down no Belwagmo. A Gambia Senegalese no. Now that boy get those 4 children. Talk man, make I talk your own. You got don't want to talk for my body again. Name man, they talk and they bring and come outside. More they open your nyash. Then the one where people never know for your own. Who know you Richards? Who know your house? Who know your mama? Richards. Me, I still give me detail. Me, I saw the one come outside. You know, you the Chris. Me, I saw the bring and come outside. AliExpress do me well. AliExpress do me well. Yeah. You will not get shame for I. After many years, 20 years, people they write and after 20 years in abroad. Now me won't call they follow the tank bar. Now me won't call follow the drag. Now me won't call you are evil. African German friends is a pretender. You know what they call a pretender must be the worst. Now it be name. Pretender must be the worst. Now it be African German first say the name. If you don't know today, make una know. Pretender must be the one person will be even though they die, they go for his house. He go come out for live video called they pretend. honey. You be like sheep goat. Honey. Now they must be honey. Not before outside for the play love. Now people when they around you go tell you say that woman is too lovely, that woman is too good, that woman is too kind. Not to come, honey, you dead there, honey. You don't use that one to okpo mieve. You know tell they call small goats. Okpo mieve. No me movie tale no silo adie Germany. Okpo mieve. Shut up your mouth. If you say me I come, even though not be 100, una enter live video because of me I can wa. I go to cut because they say it get where they push person reach. If person quiet, they do you. When I notice na alone I get mad, na alone I get as a blade man. They laugh. I see some kind of video, I go they laugh. Me, my math not good. If you say you get bad math, I go use and tire you. Now you me one face, Africa German first lady. Mind your fucking business. Stop pocknosing on people's affairs. Stop pocknose on people's marriage. You marry if you not bring your marriage certificate come. Make people see. Where that boy for wed you, where una for pouring for each other hand, where una for do marriage, court una for do marriage, you will never have peace. I tell you today, you will never have peace. So stop deceiving people, stop spoiling people's marriage, stop pursuing women from their home, stop pursuing men from their home. Stop it today. Stop it because you are evil. Pretender must be the worst. Stop it. If you not stop until you go bring that marriage with that boy, that ring go and put for hand, go my Facebook, go check. If na ring be your problem, not be my problem. You know, if na ring be your problem, not be my problem. You know, go check and ring them and I mean no, and I not get that time. If you know say you marry, bring your marriage. I don't use one person make example when me I know. When be B and B. When be say you me don't see and not be say person tell me. I see when they show in marriage. Now a man I be that. I don't really see how the man when they go out, when they do something. Because I saw people they spoil people name. They just spoil my own. When I never tire, if I never tire, I'm gonna continue. Even though I be 10. Yeah, now wood. As I tell they line up the wood. Now so they pick them one by one like this. Or they pick them turn by turn, step by step, minute by minute, hour by see. Now so I go take the table na matter. Now so I go take the table na matter one by one. Because una own want too much. Your own want too much Africa. You is your own today. Who are they talk to Africa German Festival today? Now you me they talk to. You know the boy call my name now. You know say that babe head not they has. You know, I dey respect myself because I'm not the one person insult me. You hear me so? If you not respect yourself, where you dey not far from me for here. Now close to Dortmund here. Now you dey, I know where you dey. If I jam you, I go hit you like trailer. You know if trailer hit something, you know as the trailer wake out me, he got hair where. You feel be like mosquito, you feel be like who the lack of vitamin before. See, they not go see you pick. Hospital say not go even go tell you. So on a Germany, I mean, are you there? Not they lie, not they deceive people, not they talk with you, not know for people. Stop lying, fake rumor when they carry the go. Stop it. You go hear something, you go carry, you go hear, you go carry, you go hear, you go carry, you go hear, you go carry. You understand? Yes, it's not that I too love B and B. You people know I am saying the truth. Now the truth I they talk. Because may our women, may they get sense. Woman like you go, you the brainwash you like say tomorrow, not day. Even when they turn out the beg for money, you go come and you go beg for money, you go beg for this one, you go beg for that one. Now that one they say, now let African German first, they didn't know when they do hook up. Before hook up, when we say you don't put them for armpit, they put for armpit. Now the same time on take on. Now the same time, now the same set down on be. Me not be on a set, you know. Me not be on a set. You understand? I not be on a set. You hear me? I not be on a set. So stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop insulting me, okay? Because I don't know what to be your problem. The women when they don't know their side now, say they call you, where say ma, where say ma, where say ma, where say ma. If Marginal First don't hear one small thing, you go add Maggi and salt, put make it taste sweet. You go nene and your husband and walk when they do for a size be that. They go find where they want add Maggi and salt put. You understand? You go the find where they want add Maggi and salt put make it for sweet. What if they worry you? What if be your problem? What if be your problem? So respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, anything you find, you go see them. You go see and respect yourself. You go because they respect yourself for this life. Respect yourself so that people in here you go respect you. Because I don't come for you, sir. Now so if I do, they say if I do one video, you talk about me, you come out again. You see come out again. The third time video when you do this week, more than go check them. Because when I not come here, they write your comments. May God not punish you, go write your comments for here. Make sure that fire your pa, your mama. Now so now tell they do and not and left from now right. Go to this thing, go check. May you see where you foresee insult me this week. I don't near them. I don't near them at all. You don't marry. You don't marry. German first lady. You want to say you be African German first lady. Now German first lady, if they call yourself before. When you say the thing go fit backfire you. Now you come to say you be African German first lady. That name is correct. African German first lady. I know not concern me. Now your matter be that but not the trauma give me. Not the use it directly the trauma give me. You hear me so? Not the when your husband they hide for back of camera. Your husband go there back of camera here. Now they read comment for you. Now they do all this one for you. Everything now. If you say quiet, listen well. You go the dim eye. If you say don't the dim eye like don't baby. You don't use eye, they calculate, don't the dim eye. No say your husband doesn't hide for back of share. No say your husband doesn't hide for back of share. He does stand for back of camera. Who say na lie, mona pull here, that mona they hear from I never know. You know anything? Not be that one they do for you when you be say you call the happy now, call the phone say now you get the best marriage. So stop pursuing women. Stop, especially for this Dutch, not be only Dutch women there. Italy when be say the women food there, single mother not food there like that. They're not food there. You understand? First, our women they bear some men head not still correct, but at a time it is good. Make person respect himself, you know. You understand me? What kind of rubbish is that? Maybe this one but not to scare me. So if you do hook up, do your own hook up, eh? Do your own hook up. I not near you for hook up matter. In Masika way, I not near you. You understand? You do your own, I do my own. If people want dread like they come your place. If people like me, they pack through your place. You still like me, go see come. You understand? Life is a thing when they do, when you don't give up. Everybody will come become the top today. They didn't give up. But everyone be say come be a Nigeria president today. Now 5 times now he come outside. You understand? Before I can be president again. So anything you are doing it when definitely one day people must believe you. People must know, so, okay, we still try this place. Many people, they from your platform, they come say you know if you hook them up. Me don't hook them up from Italy and Spain, from Spain to Germany, from Germany to this, from Spain to America. Me don't hook many people up. Canada. I don't hook many people. Many don't say tell me say that go your platform, not if you hook them up. But they still come to me. And if I feel sit, I feel sit one. You understand? So not to say na only one get for body, you self get for body. Not the first thing you get this thing, and you get what they call it. Now only you want, and you get hook up. Now so I call the name people Meriados, now this, now that. Then I feel wow, now go they like to the pound and one pull down. Una not go fit pull me down, you know. You know not go fit. By the special grace of God, not go fit pull me down. Except I fit pull una down. You understand? Except I felt pull una down. I not try to pull una down. I not near una. No worry, I not dey drink water. No worry, don't worry, I not dey drink. They are on one too much. I want to the mezebu. They are on one too much for social media. All those when don't aspire, when don't taban, and now you won't call the. If I like, I do hook up. If I not like, I not do. Now I not be your business. You understand? That will not be your business. No be you go tell me say I go do or I not go do. No be you go the trauma they give me the time say where will you the advice? When the same person you see come outside the tell say who you the advice? You don't feel advice yourself. Una when you put social media so how many years now, bro? Una don't feel advice on yourself. You don't spoil that life that brother life they come small so you go quick and finish. Or you go quick and finish so they prick say no go green race again. You want the peace for purpose. If you want to talk love something, if you want to talk the mene for share, go the mene. You go crazy. Who is this? Hello? Hello, is this? Hello, are you hearing me? Hello. Hello. The network is bad. Are you hearing me? Okay. I'm on live video. Are you... Hello. Okay. Okay. Go. You understand me? Go. Oh, because when me you know my sister wa gele bi alele we have where vera e ko wo no matter we am we lele ya hia I me wa no me gbe my sister, you know any any small thing because you know what as a push on my life now you go push out to the center and respect anybody when you talk small you ask me. But me I don't the last this one hook up me. He what town you can see. He might go be latin or need to latin or ya latin afia you were or ya latin no. Me no me na e me ti tawo da o e time you because what do I know ma only do I mean I be say no. He want the tomato no roma.
Something na go do when you worry that say no let's say you understand or me message you. Worry the topic of we here where yeah, I do it here. I'm saying not to understand.
Yeah.
So worry you
okay.
That topic away.
No, it's the West. Because the West. Saluba deba. Yes. Hey, go.
Hey, hello.
Yes, the West.
When I be able to read
okay, because the West. You understand? So that is life. Nobody no fit insult person for this life. Nobody no fit talk to person. Nobody no get mad to talk. This man they not they put fuel till they talk. You get when you go provoke person. She don't to provoke me. You hear me? She don't to provoke me. I not get that time. Oh, you say mature, not mature for brain. Not be by spend that many years. Not be person they get sense. Not be by day 50 years. Not be person they get this brain when God give person. Small pikin so small should get sense pass who say day 50, 70 years. You know. You talk when you talk one thing, let it be yes, and just boom. Not be anytime you come out now, my matter you come to the learn. Anytime you come out now, my matter you come to the learn. Because today I don't verse. I don't verse. When the person they say that for me. This one the third, that be fourth time. Now so they first do one thing for this thing that time. When I say I don't know what they say happen. This woman, this one, that one. When say they do hook up, when say no they do hook up. Now so this, now so that. She begin your the talk. You know? Hello? Hello, I greet you. Good evening. Yeah, brother. Yeah, now me, you follow the one to the wash me. Okay. Okay.
What time was the madam?
Either here? Okay.
Well done.
Yeah,
God bless you.
okay, sir.
I highly comment for people live video.
Okay.
But if I see the ones where they talk to inside, I'll be motivated to talk
Okay.
to God.
Okay.
The fact they say some people they will be say they do live video. They feel say maybe they repair things.
Okay.
Actually they are destroying it.
Okay.
I'm not actually concerned about your quarrel with her.
Yeah.
But I'm actually concerned about one point that you've been raising since, that woman has been destroying a lot of homes.
Okay.
In pretense that she's repairing,
Okay.
she's actually destroying. When two people they quarrel,
Okay.
the third person reach there,
You go to
because
repair.
because to quarrel for them.
Okay.
Me and my wife they quarrel, we come talk to you. You were
We talk to settle issue.
Okay. Not be quarrel, you come settle and fight, you come fight.
Okay.
The fact is, she needs to be told the truth that she has destroyed a lot of homes.
Yes.
She has destroyed a lot of relationships. She has separated the people who are supposed to go back to their husband,
Smart.
all in the name of saying if they do hook
Hook
up,
up.
useless hook up, what should they do?
Okay.
And I find out one thing, the truth is that people with their own don't with
What?
their own spoil it inside house. Then they praise their own outside.
Oh.
But their own inside house don't they rot it with them. The fact is, this woman, me looking at her, she's a pretty ugly woman. No matter how pancake she wants pancake herself, she's ugly. And her shape cannot be compared to my 3-year-old daughter. Lion shape which she carry waka. She needs to be told the truth that, honestly speaking, she either reverse from the way she's organizing her program, otherwise God will punish her very soon.
Yes, amen.
Anything you do in life, if you want to say you succeed, your children must share for it.
Yes.
People, she thinks that a lot of people are loving her, people they listen to her.
It's a lie.
The fact is, she has never added anything to any home.
Okay.
She started her program.
Okay.
That's the truth. She's destroying a lot of homes. See, man and woman will come married, not born there for one house.
At all.
If they come together, they are bound to be misunderstanding.
Yeah.
The rate at which single mothers and single fathers
Especially in this Dutchland.
Germany,
Yeah, it's too much.
in fact, if these people are not helping issues,
At all.
I know personally myself I talking now how many quarters I settle per day.
Okay.
My whole house no good, but I'm there. My wife is there. We quarrel, we settle. And in short, I blame those people when they go carry their matter, when they give such woman when they say she they come out in angel form, but at inside she's a demon.
Okay.
She has never contributed anything to any home.
Okay.
She's destroying homes. The people need to tell her that enough is enough because God Almighty will not sleep. Will not come down from heaven. A human being I go use to correct us.
Yes. Now human being.
When you swear for her today, in short, me and my household will join you swear for her.
Amen. Because that woman don't destroy many homes for Dutchland. You can never take good. I tell you, say my sister not be so or not so. He go put fire for him to be getting view. They spoil people money. The worst part of it, he sit down for you. The first thing ain't good pass. You know?
You check, see, if you want to know that woman, check her face. You know that thing what they call a colobinian.
Okay. 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 Destroy homes. Destroy marriage. They use all women to single mother, single father. Hey, I will not tolerate this. The one when they pay me, daddy. Daddy, you know the one they pay me. You know the one they pay me. Oh, where can hunger every job what daddy too well. If you hear papa and mama in you for house, in mama for you go wrong. Very stupid human being. The one when they pay me pass, say the first thing I marriage good pass. Okay. 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 When of your like and I mean if you not bring those pictures come and Jama first say you not go get peace. Okay. Okay. Jarwao. Oh we ain't wa. He say we ain't wa. Oh we ain't wa. Oh, where's the daddy call? Okay, where's it? You know, if person they talk, they say, if na juju you they use, now me go spoil that juju for you. If na sham you they put for matter, they come and say, you are crazy. If you want to say, now make me use B and B. Not be safe. Now that man the right say I love her because I like people when be say that they talk the truth. I like people when they talk the truth. If you don't do marriage, he don't tell kuku for us as our daddy talk and yours now. He don't do marriage as a fair talker. He don't they kiss your husband for hot or for court. He can't decide say he marry. Now he go free from my hand. If not be so, as they use all those women, they don't see go man. Now God go punish him. He will never enjoy that useless this thing we call marriage. You not go enjoy them. You know. You not go enjoy them. My phone off one. You know, you don't go enjoy them. You understand? Which kind of life be that one? Which kind of thing be that one? Just call they spoil people marriage. Call they spoil people marriage. Call they spoil people marriage. You want spoil people marriage? You there your own. You sit down. You they happy. You they jollificate. Oh, fast. You know, you they happy, you they jollificate, you the phone say now you know pass, you the phone say now your own ain't good pass, whereas your own don't spoil. You don't spoil, pata, your own no good. You understand me? So stop insulting people. Stop to the insult people. Stop to the talk say now your marriage now ain't good. Yes, I find today. God go bless you, my sister. Now, hook up matter than one die put. Because I mean, for the read, they see hook up as our daddy talk. You will come out, they spoil marriage. You will come out, they spoil people marriage. If your husband did this one, I cannot tolerate it. I say, see who they talk. Nya should not get. Come outside, make I show you what they call luku. You are stupid. You want to say, this is my husband. Now, because I'm not getting nyash. The husband, they work. All the money in my body for finish for. I say, I'm way back. I'm about where we go. You they talk. Ou a move viol la dian de ko emu. Ave manu ya sigo moda e Deutschland, hu ya talk boy. You understand? Hu ya mo so talk boy, you know? Hu ya talk boy because in the first thing your marriage na too good, your marriage na too good. Whereas nothing good about your marriage. Pretender, I don't me they view me they look person. I go look am from A to Z. I go they observe you. Pretender na you be. Pretender. You know? Pretender now you be. So stop pretending. Stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people. Form as if say now your own ain't good pass, whereas now lie. Your own not good. Amen. Nothing like good they inside. You understand? So now so my hookup still they go on. Yeah? Who won't die? Not say make who won't die, make it not die. That will not concern me. If you want die, die. If you want faint. You know? If you want faint. My hookup I still they do. If not let me go form set up or more carry up. Who know the fear? May come meet me. Me don't promise you. If you do any, if I see you already, I pan a bit of face away. I go pan a bit of face. That your face will be like I'm my head of follow. I go pan a bit. So stop telling people the truth, And where you go get peace from my hand, be this one. Where you go get peace, that your marriage go bring and come. Where your husband for put money for your head, where for do your marriage for us, traditional marriage, or where for put money for your head, and where for carry you go altar, and where for carry you go court for do the marriage, because you say the man na this, na that, this one, that one, this one. You they come here, come they lie. You understand? Me know they lie for my own. Me not tell una say na so I don't do court marriage, na me be the best marriage in the world, na me be the best married woman in the world. I tell una no. But make she not dey lie. Make she not dey lie. You understand? Make she not dey lie. You understand? You not get any marriage when you may not dey spoil home, may not dey spoil marriage. They come pursue all women, pursue all women come up for husband house. Their man, any small thing, not tolerate. Any small thing, my husband not fit do this one to me. My husband not go fit do this one to me. My husband not go fit do this to me. Who you be? Who you be? Italy do you well, now you run come Germany. When you come here, come they misbehave. When you come here, come they talking rubbish. When you come here, come they lie. You understand? So I know they follow you, they fight for hook up, my dear. I dey do my own. Do your own. If you see, they say no go out though. Say who's a bit trade, you must surely gain now. You know, if you know this a bit trade, now your luck, now be that. Me self, I dey do my own part. I know they near you. I not come meet you. I not disturb you. You understand? So do your own and leave the rest. Do your own and leave the rest. So stop disturbing people. Stop pursuing women. My own concern. Stop to the tell people. Start to the tell people the truth. If they call you for help, not saying only one that they call for help. Not saying only one they advise people. You don't get advice who they advise. If you advise people like one way do last, if you advise woman, the woman not leave your husband. Now you want to tell her make the call of ballet before your husband. Now you want to tell woman make the call of ballet before your man. They look in the Dutch now wait for the choose. Wake up and say walk here, can not hear time not talk about the not that for him. If you can't tell them, say they're not here, now that time you call the talk say they're not good. This one, that one, they can't come me advice. They're not here. They want to go back. Why? You know they get problem with your husband. Why are you not the come up for them? Why are you not come up for your play? One time says when you are that when you put for house, you know not the get quarter. You want right? I am money making machine. Oh. I didn't go to deceive now. My husband is working. My husband is doing this. My husband is doing that. Whereas una own better pass him own. Pretend that one killer. Now person when they pretend. Now person when they pretend. You know. Now person when pretend spoil for life. You understand? So I beg. More my pack well for this social media. As soon as I don't mess put as at all. Me go shit put. Anything wanna see when I go bear them. Who come and lay your back if you not respect yourself, your children say not respect your children, you won't come and me what they saw. It's your born on the day or on your boy because now you come for me first. When I don't get to now what talk. You know if you come outside, you hear the matter. Why you not come outside? Now this set up carry matter up or down. Now you walk they come outside, they come and you are stupid. You understand? Me not the way me the spoil person for me before me go talk. Now waiting you do now me the toss. Me not the throw insult indirect. You understand? Me not the using direct. Me stop to the using direct. You understand me? Not the using direct for me. Not the anytime you enter live video, you just feel like throw mat. Anytime you enter live video, you just feel like throwing mat. The throw mat give me. Ugbel, Ladian way live video ni hear me way. Where you go forget peace, go bring your marriage still come. Bring your marriage pictures. Where they for put money for your house that our daddy talk just now. Pack them, come outside. Then if they talk, I go they hear. You understand? Like this T&B, I like her. Yes. She's a responsible woman. If not like the time I say no responsible, now mad, now white, now procon, now social media, they follow up and down. If not like I sort her, yes. Because me and what you seeing is believing. Now what I see, because people tell her not married. Yes, she bring, I see her. Now where for they show the pictures and they see her. You know? It's not Photoshop, you know, the man. That's so you, when it's called South Africa German First Lady, bring your own art. Then if they talk, I will not say you ready. Where the man for go put money for your head. The picture when they take for them. When okay, you know if you go house, you can't come here, cause they do your own. Then the picture when you take pack, then come outside. And two, where your husband for go carry you go church or carry you go altar. Court where una for call sign una call so una be husband then you can put it for hand then you can put for your hand then the ring for civilized world that ring they read now your name na dey the man na your name na dey your own if you be say na so it be bring a come outside bring the certificate of your marriage for Germany or for Italy when you carry come Germany when they know you are say you are farrated that you don't marry for Europe bring and come. Bring her come. Stop lying to people. You don't spoil many marriage. Now your baby father. Now the small one, how they see the picking. Now the small one, I resemble the boy. The small one, if you see the boy, now carbon copy, now be that. So call not the call here. Mona not flash me. Yeah, flash. Mona not flash me. Who won't call you call like her or you call me on WhatsApp. don't flash me. Because when they do, you know, they hear them. When they carry my no fit talk say no, una no say na me they talk to. Una no fit talk say, una no say na me they talk to. So I go use a batham. If you no bring her, me I know the hurry, the entire social media, entire YouTube, go. No, I don't get that time. I don't get what they pursue me. Myself, I don't get why they pursue. You understand? If now so it start and by now you don't go far. So wait till they may go bring her come outside. I don't get what they follow and drag. Now since when I start my hookup, now I problem ten entire body. Now I problem ten entire to her body. Now to her be her name. He say name na to her. Here when they say they don't say name na to her. You understand? Now I problem they enter her body. Me and you not get any problem. Me and you not get any banana. So stop insulting me. Stop to the true word. You get for body. Pack your own come outside. Carry your mama come outside. Carry your people come outside. We will see whether they're too good or they're too nice or they look good. They be like people when they like president became when they start so rock. Or they be like people when be when the people when be say they stay for UK or when they born. May you bring the car with the see. So they your body, they my body. So stop insulting. Notice the person no want to talk to you. Don't want me say they don't know you. Nobody don't know you. You feel like a bird. You can fly anywhere you like. You the Chris. As your own. As you say you get man. As my own. Your own. They my pan. So this is warning for you. So as for the hookup, I see they do one. You understand? I dey talk on my work be that. I dey talk on where. If you need, call me. My number dey there. Now me the software they come out every time. Me they say he doesn't start again every day. If you start say they do hook up, a partition go your whole. If you start say they do hook up, a partition go your whole. Hija. If not be saying really women they use until they remove for husband, why can't they pay you for body like that? Many people don't do this hook up. They not even send again. Not be only one starter. Many people still they do and when we not still know. Be and be that they still say this they do. You understand? I don't feel you do not got the cost out or if I talk at they throw in it that red word. What did you do me? Even though I can't hear anything, as people talk rich and I say you do this, I say, it not concern me. I don't feel just come out to just carry out the insult them. You understand me? When you not come for me first, when you not get anything when you do me. I don't feel like the insult them. I know the call people name for my platform, make I come out today. Now this one when you swear for. No. Now who come? Now the stuff they do. So if you don't say no reach you, you day your own. All those women when they talk to go more than when they call a platform that they happy when you take the call. But why they pay me? You sit down for your own. You the first thing that your own ain't good pass. I your own take good. I your own take good. They pursue women, they come up for husband house. They force that you come better pass. They pursue that they pursue their man. If your man you do this one, do it like this. If your man you do this one, do it like this. May if I call you, say may you give her another man. May if I collect money for a hand. Fine, now weapons for the do, now for the weapons for the work, now for the shop. You know? You understand? So I don't use that one, Jonas. Everybody will try to handle a platform. On my own, stop throw, you know, the trauma for me. Not the trauma for me. Let today be the first and last. Not the trauma for me. If you want trauma for me, go bring your marriage this thing come. Go bring your marriage details. Go bring all of them. Come outside. More with the see. They show them. As they show fake this thing, so they show them. Say, na be this so. Na my marriage. Bring that your man when you wanna there. So bring the marriage. Bring what you wanna do marriage. Come outside. Bring the ring. With the town for altar. Packer. The tradition where for put money for you as this man talk. Viola dian do ame viola dian wo. Viola dian. So respect yourself. Understand? So now be my topic today. Now you I come for. So I don't tell you respect yourself. They told women the truth. If women call you, tell them the truth. I get many people when they call me as I talked before. You know, then they call me. My wife do me like this. My man they do like this. Everything is settled. You don't talk. Your mama be for your papa. Now your mama do this one. Now mama, but you now got the phone saying now you can't be your fan. Now you can't good pass. Nobody fit talk to you. You won't be Benny. I'm by you. Now you see the girl matter. They talk to people. They spoil people marriage. They spoil people marriage. Well, they spoil people marriage. You know, that is just the truth. Be this now. Hello. Oh, good evening. Oh, guys. Good evening, sister. Yo. Real live video, mommy.
Story game. Ni aya ri adolo yo here and yo.
Okay.
Emma video.
Okay.
Wa beta mai na iwe gbe mi video. E wana reverio. Bena yawu wa igona gwiwi yeke, ube gwe no ba gwiwi yeke. Enu do atai be kenia evaje.
Come ke na here yo, okay.
Emma video.
Okay.
oi kona guyeke obe kona guyeke ege no pae gwe no pa gwe ebe ge no pae odo setwi ni edo aye na yo de bo pa we egbe very ma
okay ani kwikwo no ro deba ikwikwo no ro deba no make na hu kian up no pe abe he can never say the truth he can never say the truth
me waga gbon ya
okay
no ge ma for ero even those who go wana ye na that for one we no get better ero
okay
awa eko wa zegbe
okay
understand
yeah
o me sa ti we yen o mo do yen sa ti ta mi me yen what that fi yen gbe wo re ni na
okay
everybody make mistake everybody make mistake everybody man am we ge odo gun ayo no to debe odo atai republic who de gbe to amwe no pa
yes no make na ya me viewer all luerero eniyan no make na me viewer oh ya gwa lokian oh no we call me I go dey YouTube later call me I go dey YouTube later nigele I call you he disgrace egbeyan can you imagine
me we live video but e ma call me mana odo ba me na gwi ya igweno odo ya igboda fo egwi yeke iwe do gweno pa gwi yeke
ya won egbeyan ya won yes yes that is the real truth on one no go settle me ipa mo la go even say so agwa mo la the live video o ipa me oni wa fi call ne o wa ya liye come on after 2 days o ge oni mi o ya we live video so off one go
that we better wo ko pare Austria something like that no pare Jamie u bege ya no emeni na do me be no she
yeah
ona do emeni na do emeni ya te settle ogwa even omana iga ti ebonu even omana ati ebonu as a presenter una onu wa dolo yemi even omana ati ebonu whether the ekeni jo ka se boni ani
okay oh network hello mommy hey network hello network you know
ni edo aye rejo very ibu egane atari egane ya na ataiwe iwe wa abadon ina we wa etaverio very wakagwa no toto ene
okay
ekuru ro pa
bo hien iya na gba mi agwo hien ri yan gbe
tabe obviously ki na mo biedo maybe edo ni se very awa mo bi gogo gani e wa ubeterio Okoni no rostra the other one what do me no work one now
yes
ma we me ba o me at times
yes
ma what
me ba kon yan gun ya be settle you know
na do aye renjo o ma ne kwande o ma me hu cup e me so o mo ta ma na la we bo aye hu cup won mo to
okay
aye hu cup ri oku
okay
understand
okay
any no done welcome me internet or Facebook or maybe no without maybe I'm a quick our agane total cake you know I have done Facebook all those things you man wear my favorite my so name ma pussy
kakabo
pussy
yeah kakabo
I don't call on my Austria I don't call on I don't pay my book I don't we video
okay
no phone error.
No phone error, mommy. Oh my God, no me ka ko be gbe. No. Oh we yan ta fi en, no ta fi an. E no ta fi en ya wi yen. E da won yu ho ko be he. Oh wa here re ni ku o meke na wa gwi, ni ku o meke na wa mohu.
Da me ho asek be character.
Okay.
I'm your character no worst. Okay. I'm your character medium. Okay. I'm your character oh, me say tita mama yen wa da fi en kwe bo wa.
Okay.
U say ti we me border for ekwo but enu do ta mama yen wa ekwi. O ge ni ki.
Okay, mommy.
O ge ni ki. Even we bo mama be kwi, we be mi no ri en
ko. Oh yes. O salo ba no je very o ma kan, you know. Yeah.
Me say ti ko mo. Atota yu wo wa. At least e go we mi nu yen. You understand?
Okay. Only worst.
Okay, Nikki, when you time, no, or I can't tell ma. Or set you with them. I don't care about after you look back, that do I care about me. Even whatever when we're dollars, or do react with it.
Okay. Very bad.
Come.
Oh, what's the mommy? Saloba Adebawa. Come, mommy.
Oh.
What's it?
Oh my.
Bye bye. You. Okay. Bye bye. This one. Hello? Yeah, greet you.
Happy Sunday.
Send to you. Do they talk?
I mean they talk. I just see you for live video. Then I see some kind of thing when we say it dey happen. Then you dey talk about the thing. Now say yes. Say na true word. Now you dey talk.
Okay.
You understand? Then now say okay. Let me call you. Then I tell you some kind of thing.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Because one person know they no finish. You
At
understand?
Yeah.
Abisha man from Uru.
Okay.
But I was born and brought up for Benin. You
Okay.
understand?
Okay.
Then what thing I want to tell you concerning those hookup, especially this hookup issue. This hookup issue is not good at all, my sister. It's not good. It's not good. You understand? Like my wife now Benin wife now married. You understand? Italy now for see. Then when I see her now, I talk to her. Then she liked me. Then now so we did it. When we come as we did Italy, we see say Italy life we get no work, nothing. Then now we decide we can't come here.
Yeah.
Since we did here, husband and wife, you know, if woman tell you say or the man come to say they know they quarrel. Now lie.
Okay.
They quarrel. When stop and let me talk now. Then when they quarrel, they will see settle.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
This hookup of a thing, which is no good at all, it's not your good. Let us say, okay, man now, the man will be say the woman not felt no before.
No, it doesn't mean hookup not mean anything for this issue. You know, hookup not mean anything.
No.
Hookup, people don't marry through Facebook. People don't marry through hookup. The thing there is that when I talk about today, the way they change women for husband, they tell they say your husband and you, now be the topic of today. Why I bring my hookup on, in they try to talk say now be the best, now only one they do hookup, now be my topic for today. Hookup, yes. Luck can come. You can see girl for Facebook, you will be your housewife. You know, man. You person if he still hook you up, you understand? You know, go if still marry, you know, everywhere go good. Yes. You understand? You can see girl and girl and see you toast them. If you don't work out for marriage, if you don't work out, if you character feel not good. I don't see how many people up for this my platform. They'll say, sister, thank you. The boy go cost, auntie, thank you. You do well. The girl do okay. The girl go call brother. The brother is okay for me. You know, hook up doesn't mean anything. Saying good for this man, you know, good. It's very good. Depends. Now luck. It's luck. You know. That's it.
Okay, for my own reason, I make a say, may I tell you this hookup issue may not suffer because many people are the same waiting. Even when you do life now, if you after you don't then you check your comments, you will see what some people they comment concerning Benin, which is not good. You understand? And because Benin and Isha will be the same.
Yeah.
Also, because all this it they make me the shame sometimes if I didn't see them. You understand? And then make I just say, may I call you?
You do well, no problem, yeah.
Stop. Who want find husband? He go find her by himself. Who want find a woman? He go find her by himself.
Yeah, it's still good. Yeah, thank you very much. Somebody they call. Yeah, thank you. God bless you, sir. Another person they call.
Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello? 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 They hear me? Oh, my battery.
Madam Beba.
Oh, call daddy.
Can't you, Papa? Why are you Papa? What to wear?
Okay.
Well, we're going to our Papa, which of course is the truth.
Okay.
She has never one day not tell my down when she's always siding the women even when they are wrong and they are right.
Okay.
She's always trying to destroy marriages from the beginning to the ending.
Okay.
Now, where it's and anybody know funny drama lady no
okay.
Nigeria.
Okay, daddy. What's it? Okay.
The Bible recognizes traditional marriage. Bible. All the church in the secondary.